VNets have a slightly different internal structure to VPCs. The VNets are not global like VPC. Instead, each VNet is built in a region and contains one or more subnets. Multiple VNets from different regions can be connected together using virtual network peering. When creating a VNet, you must specify a custom private IP address space using public and private addresses. A VNet must be built with a CIDR, or classless interdomain routing range of private IP addresses that conform to RFC 1918. All subnets in a VNet must have a private IP range that is part of the VNet CIDR range. You must make sure that the VNet address space in the CIDR range does not overlap with your organization's other network ranges. Route tables are built for each VPC that configure paths for traffic. Traffic cannot flow outside the network without security groups, which are firewalls that can be applied to virtual machines or to network. Network access control lists can be configured to allow and deny traffic to a subnet, but they are not stateful. The networking services that Google and Azure provide can vary in the terms of their scope, as indicated here in parentheses. The key takeaway is that Google VPC networks are global and subnets span regions. Azure maintains the scope of its networks to a regional level. Global networks offer a farther out-of-the-box reach, which means that you can have a single private network that is global without having to connect multiple private networks and manage those spaces separately. You can also define multiple networks per project for added flexibility. We'll cover more on this in